Hi, welcome to our demo. In material science and chemistry, labs often deal with a lot of instruments and data handling, which make lab automation really tough and even harder for non-coders. This is why we built IvoryOS web interface for low-code robotics and workflow control. Earlier this year, we added an MCP server so we can talk to the lab in natural language. For this hackathon, we also made a quick tutorial video for easy setup, so now let's check out our integration in action.
This demonstration on a Bambu Lab's H2D 3D printer, I'm asking for it to change the height of the printer bed. And so first it's going to connect to the printer. That's going to take a second. And it's going to successfully connect, and now it's going to send the command over to change the height of the printer, and it successfully does.
This project focuses on integrating legacy and industrial tools. We built a TCP-based interface, linking LabVIEW automation with IvoryOS, thereby enabling natural language control of non-Python-based instruments. While our demonstration uses a mock LabVIEW SDL, the same approach applies to real processing or high-throughput characterization platforms. The TCP interface also works with industrial tools, not typically included in SDLs.
In our last but not least example, Elsayed, he's trying to record some data entry using a dummy mode Google Sheets API. So in this example, it's calling the record function and line by line to record all the data. Thanks for watching.